sometimes I wonder the idea behind some methods of doing things or some principles, so to say. For instance, now look at this. This is 20 acres of land. We're just here to keep record of what is really going on here because it's within our own vicinity as well. Now let's see what is going on here now. When you look at here, you see we're having these wire gauze around this plant. Now I don't understand the principle behind this wire gauze, but I believe it has so many impediments. First of all, it is caging these plants. This is a field crop. You allow the plants to beat themselves, actually. You know. Now look at it now. When you see this place, you see there are weeds in between here. Even if you want to weed this entire field, what is the essence of weed in itself when you cannot take the weed that is really disturbing the plant? And this weed that are present inside this wire gauze now will be very difficult to take off. Now look at the plant, they're almost dying. There's no biochar, there's no the normal planting or the normal principles of planting plantation crops. So you leave a hole around the stem. No one was taken out. So there's no way this soil can trap water for this plant. So this plant is basically surviving off of the water that is just present. And for some time now there has not been rain. You see the implication. There's no biochar here. There's no hole around the stem here. I mean, everything is just wrong about it. Now let's look further and see what we're talking about. This is almost 20 acres of land. And when you look around, you discover that you see that most of these plants are not really doing very fine. Let's move to a different plant and see. From here now, we see the demarcation here has not been weeded yet, while here bridges have been made. Okay, look at this for instance. Look at this particular stand of plants. You see this entire perimeter is void of weed. But look at within the gauze. So how do you want to take out this weed conveniently? How are you going to do it? Are you going to do this for 30 acres of land? You see, it is not scientifically feasible, if you ask me. So I don't think this wire gauze is even necessary here. The most important thing is meeting the ones who have actually done these things over time and they have proven track record to show for them. Okay, this is another instance now. You can just take a look at this. It's a very cool example. See how we look at this entire perimeter now, there's no weed. We look at this particular stand. Then what is the essence of weeding this field if you cannot take this weed that is really disturbing this plant? And this is being impeded by this wire gauze. So I don't understand. I'm still trying to find somebody who will give me a practical explanation for this wire gauze. Because there, as you can see, the disadvantages are just too much. This is what I like to call magic science farming, as it